Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share how to write the cover letter for your adjustment of status packet. Last week, I've just uploaded the video about my adjustment of status packet. And then if you want to know how to organize your adjustment of status packet, go to this channel and then find it. Okay guys, now there are about 4 forms that I'm going to share about the cover letter for adjustment of status. So it's gonna be about 4 forms. The first form is, let me start it from this. So the cover letter for form I-485. This is the application to register permanent resident or adjust status. I'm sorry guys, I just look at the right side. I just look at the computer because sometimes I forgot what is the form for. So just to make sure that what I said is right. Okay, the next one is form I-864. So this is the application for affidavit of support. And then the other one is form I-131. This is the application for travel document. And the other one is form I-765. This is the application for employment authorization. So in this video, I'm gonna share how to write the cover letter. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, that's all from me today. I hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe to this channel if you like to watch more videos about my immigration journey. And if you have any questions, please leave the comment below. I wish good luck for your immigration journey and we'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye!